were there from the start. You watched her take her first steps, gave her first set of wheels. But now she's grown and ready to explore the world. So, how do you keep her safe when you're not there to protect her? Introducing DashPal, an innovative dash cam that does more than watch the road. Here's how it works. DashPal sends an instant alert every time the car starts. And you can even track the car's route in real time. DashPal's camera features a wide field of view that captures every detail in full HD quality, offering you more protection in case of an accident. DashPal also gives you safety tools perfect for young drivers, like speed alert and boundary settings. If your driver goes over the speed limit or boundary area set by you, you'll be the first to know. DashPal stores your car's driving history with facts like distance, time traveled, and fuel cost. DashPal even saves an animated playback of your route, complete with markers that show over-acceleration and hard braking. DashPal is always on, even when your car is off. And with its reliable internal modem, you're always connected via DashPal's app. Ever wonder what that check engine light means? With DashPal, it's easy to find out. DashPal communicates directly with your car and runs a 100-point vehicle inspection, alerting you to any potential problems. Installing DashPal takes only a few minutes and can easily be done without special tools or know-how. DashPal gives you real-time information on your car's location, health, and safety. DashPal, because you care about your car.
Hey Dad, I'm home.
And the driver.
Introducing Auto Escape by InGear, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, Auto Escape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, Auto Escape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. Auto Escape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, Auto Escape is ready to go. Auto Escape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold Auto Escape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. Auto Escape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. Auto Escape by InGear. Always there, always prepared.
Hi guys, long time no see. Today we are super excited to present to you our new head-up display product, Hotway Drive. It's a new generation of head-up display devices. Amazing functionality, cutting-edge technology. Let's unpack it together, see what's inside the box, and take it for a ride. Okay, you guys ready? Come on, let's do it. And by the way, we have this video signal cable in the box through which you can connect your rear view cameras, your side mirror cameras, or your night vision cameras right through this cable to display on your hardware drive device. And by the way, we supply all these cameras if you guys are interested.